Hello guys, I know you can hear me. I want to introduce you to a new mining app. It is an airdrop, a new mining airdrop, though it has been around since 2025. This is the early 2026. This mining app has been around for like let's say 5 to 8 months now. Though somebody just to introduce it to me as one of the promising airdrop that is going to really go a long way. The name of this app is VeryChat. If you look at it here, you will see VeryChat reward. So you can download this app from your Play Store. You get it? You can download it from Play Store or your Apple Store. And what you do in this app is you just mine, just normal mining. When you download it to your phone, what you just do is to click on mine. Let me go to the app that you can see that I already downloaded it to my own phone. That's why it's showing open. On your own, here we show download. So I'm going to open it now and let you see how the app look like. So when you open the app, this is how the app is going to look like. The most important thing about this app is that you cannot join without being referred. That means somebody has to refer you before you join this very app. And if you look at this place, you will see mining. If you look at here, it shows reward where you can go and click your reward. Let's click there. Let's click on reward and see. In this reward, it equally give you what do I call it? Airdrops when you are walking, as you are walking around with your phone. You can see they write daily harvest. That is sorry, that is about logging in. When you are logging in daily, it will be counting and giving you free airdrops. And equally, when you look at here, it will be counting your steps. The amount of steps you have, they will convert it to your airdrops. So if you look at up here, you will see the amount of very data I've already mined. Look at this place. That is the amount of very data I've already mined. So let's click this place that is showing wallets. They also have their own wallets. You can see wallets here. Here, if you want to chat with people or you want to add people to chat, but it's not necessary for now. The most important thing is this mining. I hope you understand. So let's click on mining. So when you log in, and it is very easy to sign up. I think you sign up using your Gmail. So when you sign in, you can look here. It will be showing you the countdown. You can see it's showing you the countdown. Meanwhile, this particular place here are places that you watch ad in order to fast track this your mining speed. So here is going to show you some lucky balls. You click here, watch some ad, it will increase your mining rates. Even here too, I've watched most of them. It is only one that is remaining in this booster. So what do you do? Every time you finish mining, what you do is just come and click this place. Sorry, click this place and it starts counting down your mining. So when you go to wallets, let's click on wallets. When you go to wallet, you have to create your wallet and save your pin. It used to have a pin. So you click a pin. Let me log in. So this pin that you create, you should save it because they don't save a pin for you. So you can see that they have their own wallets already. So if you look at here, you will see that that is their wallet. You can receive, you can send, but right now you cannot receive and send. You only mine. And you can see that they also have what is it called? USDT. That means USDT that you can convert it to when the time really comes. But right now, the most important thing for you is to keep mining. I hope you understand. Just like I said, if you don't have someone that refer you, you cannot join this mining app. So if you want to join this mining app, you can use my own uh, referral code or referral link. After you download it, you just type FS line. From there, it can bring you to this app. So it is just simple as that. So let me just click on this remaining one that's remain for me to boost. You see, it's showing me that I need to watch one ad. And if you look at here, currently I'm having about 5 hours 42 minutes to complete this mining. So now I'm going to click this booster so that I'll watch the ad. And when you see it, when I click on it, I finish watching it, you'll see that this my mining rates will increase. That is, it will reduce. And without watching any of this ad here, you come here. If you don't watch anything from this particular place, here, and here, you only mine every 12 hours. But when you watch any of this ad, it's now increase. It's speed up your boosting. It's increased, which means in a day you can even mine like 3 sessions. You can see my total here. And if you invite anybody, they are going to give you equally. They are going to give you an airdrop. You that invite someone and you that is signing, you are going to both receive airdrop. So this airdrop is a project that you will take very seriously. Let it not be that I don't know why I didn't join early. This is the early time you can join this mining app. So I've already told you how to get it. Just go to your Play Store, download the app. It's VeryChat. Just like I showed you, it's called VeryChat. So that is the updates about this app. Please take it serious. It doesn't. It's you can turn off your data after mining. You understand? But every time you have to come and click here when this line, when these numbers finish, you come back here and tap to start mining another session. So take this update very serious and let's see how the project really goes. That's all for now. Thank you.